Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agents in the Philippines under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Understand, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
None, ma'am.
Okay, our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Cherime Kinatigan. I'm 30 years old. I live in Blan, Sarangani province. My birthday is on January 12, 1994. My religion is Alliance.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Do you have children?
No, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
January 12, 1994.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5 and my weight is 54.
What about your sorry, you mentioned that your religion is alliance. What about your educational background?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Four sister and four brothers.
What is your rank in your family?
Housewife.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
Five, ma'am.
Okay, what about your parents' occupation? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father is 63 years old, and my mother is 65 years old. My occupation of my father is farmers, and my mother is housewife,
Okay, so this is your first time working abroad, is it?
ma'am.
Do you know how hard being an OFW or being a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you handle your homesickness once it strikes you?
I'm always pray, ma'am. I talk my friends and my family.
Okay, so do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
I experienced working a housework of 5 years old kid here in the Philippines. I performed around like cleaning, do laundry, gardening, ironing, and cooking. But I expert doing cleaning and laundry.
Okay, how
And
old is the
also
child? Sorry,
five
how
years
old? 5 years old. Can I know which place in the Philippines this one? You worked there for 1 year, way back 2013 to 2014, correct?
yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
Jensan, General Santos, ma'am, city.
Okay, so, okay. After 2014, uh, you do what? You worked way back 2013 to 2014 for 1 year as a housemaid, correct?
Ma'am.
After 2014, you work as what and until now?
Mm, I work in I still in my house, ma'am.
Okay, you stay in your house. So are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Can you take care pets?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you know how many years is your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that once you break your contract, you will going to have a consequences and you need to compensate?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so your contract is 2 years. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and it's not 1 year. Once you break your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You are the one who wanted to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to sustain your needs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your handphone during working time, but you can have your handphone during nighttime only and you will going to render your phone on the next day before you start your work. Are you aware of it?
Yes, ma'am.
But if we found out that you cannot go up your job on the next day because you feel groggy as you abuse your using of mobile handphone every nighttime, then we will going to inform your employer that you can have your phone only like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you agree about all our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, you have a once a week rest day. But if you will going to work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. But if you will rest on your rest day, you will going to stay only inside the employer's house and you are not allowed to go out. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I just wanted to make it clear and clarify it to you guys. Okay? You will going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
stay only inside the employer's house for 2 years. Okay? It's either you
Yes,
are agree or disagree. It's fine. We don't force people to come here. So we need to follow the rules. We will adhere to our rules and regulations. Follow the rules and regulations of the employer. Always bring your good attitude because this is not Philippines. We don't want to demand too much with the employer, okay? Because in our initial
yes,
interview, we already inform you about all these terms and conditions, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, of course, being a first timer, it is very tough, most especially homesickness will frequently attack you as this is your first time working quite far away from your family. So, why did you choose to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong? Because they got higher salary than here in Malaysia. Why did you choose to come here in Malaysia?
No salary deduction, ma'am.
No salary deduction. Definitely. So, your processing in the Philippines is free, okay, right?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
whatever it is, once you break your contract, then you need to pay, okay?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. That's all only. As long as you are agree with our terms and conditions, then it's fine. Okay? Okay, I think that's all for now. Your name again, Cherry May, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Right?
Yes.
Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.